If you're an artist and you're struggling to understand form, did you know that you don't need a 3D printer or any technical skills in order to observe form instead? So here, for instance, we're using a 3D slicer. You don't need a 3D printer in order to use the slicer. The bamboo slicer is available to everybody and anybody. So you can use this in order to make basic shapes. So if you just click here, you can actually add a primitive object. You can add any of your basic shapes. You can then look at interacting them and see how they interact in space. You can then use this as observational work in order to understand form better. You can also use programs like Autodesk or Fusion to make your own shapes, but you don't need to actually make your own shapes because, as I say, you can literally open a slicer like Bambu Labs or Cura and go right click, add a primitive, and literally add a basic shape. So there you have it. If you're struggling to understand form as an artist and you really think, I really want to understand form by understanding how to do it observationally, well, there you go. You can do it. You can move the blocks around, inside each other, over each other, next to each other, all sorts of places. It's very useful.